Lynette Plenleaf, this one's for you. It's been a while coming, but you asked for bubble and squeak. What can we do with the bubble and squeak to liven up a little bit? I want to use whatever I've got knocking around in the fridge. So it's a bit of a use-up dish, as a bubble and squeak traditionally was. We've got some just some potatoes. Got some red skin potatoes, bit of broccoli. I'm not going to use the heads, I'm going to use the stalk. Grate that up. Carrots, onion, garlic. We'll spice it up with a bit of garam masala, turmeric and ginger. Nice and easy, but let's get some flavours going into there. We'll start off just by leaving the skins on there. Potatoes, just dice them up. Into a pan, bring them up to the boil. As the potatoes are cooking away, we'll look at preparing everything else. So as I said, let's use and abuse everything. So we use these in something else. We might serve those on the side. So just take this florets off there. But all I want to use is that stalk. Okay. So we just cut that down. Really nice flavour in this stalk, and normally just gets thrown away in the bin. Just chopping that down into matchstick sort of short sizes. Normally we'd be throwing this away. Why? It's great. Great in salads as well. Really good flavour. Great. See, you're going to throw that away. Let's use it. Carrot, same as this. Okay. Now you just skin it, give it a good clean. All the flavours in now. Okay, into matchsticks again. Broccoli and carrot. Half an onion. Okay, we'll just dice this one up. Skin off this time. Don't really want to skin on the onions. Although that skin was always just a ring of the onion, it's just dried out. So nice small dice on the onion, go straight into a frying pan. Two cloves of garlic. So this is all going to add flavour to that bubble and squeak. Straight in the pan with the onion. Dash vegetable oil into there. Start cooking those out. Onions and the garlic soften down nicely. We add just the carrots and the broccoli into there. Cooking that out. And then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of garam masala. That goes in there and cooks that out. As that's cooking out, just pop a lid on that. Potatoes, now nice and soft, they're ready to come off. And then we've got our veggies all softened down. And the smell of those spices is all cooked through those as well. Just turn that one down a little bit. Just drain off these potatoes. And those potatoes straight in there. breaking those potatoes down. Season that up. A bit of salt, pepper, break it all down, hold together really nice. Also got a little bit of coriander, just chopped roughly, that goes into there as well. Smells great. Just think that's all the leftovers. You're going to throw a lot of that away. Still got some good body and texture to it as well. Just let that cool down a little bit. Also letting that cool down slightly so we can mould it into some nice moulds. We'll go with the poached egg. We need to get a pan of water up to the boil. Drop a little bit of vinegar in there. Whilst that pan's come up to the boil, just mould up. So we got just a pastry cutter. Put that in there. Push that down. Just have a bowl of it if you wanted to. May as well chef it up a bit, haven't we? Maybe I'm ready to go in a pan. Just pan fry that off. We'll get a pan hot as well. Frying pan, drop of oil in there. Pan's nice and hot. Just drop that in there. Water's come to a boil. Give it a good swirl. Crack our egg into the middle. See that cooking away nicely. Eggs going nice. Bubble and squeak's going nice. All coming together very well.